What is she doing? Oh,
Young. So we got a pipe done.
That's right, we got the pipe done. Now we got a welder on there. It'll be straight pipe.
Straight pipe. Y'all hear it. Acura Rsx. We took the resonator off and we replaced it with that. We're going to. That's what we got right there. Oh, it's too dark. But yeah. Do it yourself. Cause I got this part done. And it cost me like $296 just to do that. And we could do it ourselves.
What did it cost us so far? 60 bucks?
Yeah, about $60. Not even that. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, that's what we're working with. Looks like a UFO or something under there. Went in your ear. Like and subscribe, you know. Go check out the videos. We doing stuff 24/7. You see it? Look who it is, Bob.
Yeah. Like that. Just see what it sounds like. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Tony. Hey, you gotta make it quick. My phone's on 9%.
What's it sound like?
It sounds good. You going left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just go to the first turn and turn around. I don't feel like going all the way down.
What is he doing? What? She's trying to get vibes. Yeah, there we go. I was saying that Jay's like almost now. What is he doing?
What is she doing? Oh,
he almost stalled that. Oh my god, he's gonna get. She could easily move past him, but.
Oh, we got more to come. This was just a install straight pipe on a Acura Rsx.
yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, boy Tony Peaches.